What you got there, bud? Baby shark. Wait,
where did daddy get? Whoa!
That's what it looks like under a bridge. So cool. You're doing good, pal.
Okay, turn her a little bit that way.
What's going on, dudes? Pete, Little Pete back making another episode today. Today, what are we doing, bud?
I'm going fishing on a boat.
We are going fishing on this monster boat behind me. Come check it out. And we're off, dude. We are cruising, man. Are you super pumped? So check it out, dudes. These are all the lines, all the rods are all inside here, and we are headed out. What did you get? You got some squid. Oh, we gotta put it on the hook, right? All right, let's get baited up. We're gonna fish. What'd you get, dude? Peter's first fish. The sea robin. Cool, man. We got another fish on. Check it out. Flounder. Grandma caught it. So this is the bait station over here. Little Pete is getting the minnow out of the minnow bucket. Wow, it's filled with minnows in there, bro. They're wiggly. You got them? Make sure you hold on to them. And then this little guy is squid and mackerel. Cool, right? Got it, bud? Check it out. Pete's got another one, dude. Look. Here, I got you. You're good. Look, it's a flounder, man. Good job. You got one.
Twice as big as that big guy's fish.
Oh, what we got, pal? Another one. It's another flounder. Peter's kicking my butt. Say fish on, Pete. Yeah. That's awesome. George the fish. Look him off. He goes back home. He's not a keeper. Peter's got a minnow. Oh no, you dropped it. Where'd he go? Oh, you slipped on it. Here, get the minnow. All right, you got the minnow. Because you got to put him on the line, right? Don't get away. Look how beautiful, guys. There's Ocean City over there. We're at the boardwalk. What's up, bud? There is a bathroom on the boat right here. And Peter's been in there for, I don't know, like 20 minutes. So he's definitely doing something. What you got there, bud? Baby shark.
Wait, where did daddy get? Whoa! Come back.
Good job. You're not going to this part, but right there, a shark flew up on me. Shark flew up. I mean, second fish fly.
Check it out, dude. A flounder has 2 eyes on top of its head. Isn't that so cool? I'm trying to let him go, but he eat one of the hook. What do you got? You gonna eat him? Kiss a minnow, you weird kid? Ew, gross, dude. I think he's not alive with us anymore, pal. I think it's time to let him go. So this little guy, it's called a baby sea bass. They normally get bigger than like 14, 18 inches, but this is very small. And he's gotta go back. See ya! Here you go, Pete.
Right here.
Later, bud. You got yourself a sea bass.
Catching all sorts of stuff.
I'd say if he fits in the pan, he's a keeper, right?
This would you catch, Pete?
8.
Call 8 and I caught 7, so it looks like Peter won. What's going to be my punishment, dude?
Going in the Ferris wheel alone with the 4 bucks.
Oh no!
We'll film that in another video.
Check it out, dudes. We're going under the bridge, and when we get under the bridge, the captain's going to let Peter drive. It's going to be awesome. Check it out. That's what it looks like under a bridge. So cool. Wow. Lovely day out here on the water for sure. Definitely coming back. So look, captain's letting Pete drive. This is great. You're doing good, pal.
Okay, turn her a little bit that way.
Steer us in somewhere good, bud. You handling it?
A little more.
Doing good, buddy.
You see how it's coming around? Right now, steer back the other way towards me.
Careful, Pete. Watch out for that boat right there. Little close, little close, little close, little close. Pull back. Doing good, man. Wow. We're heading right back to the dock.
Thanks so much for watching. Back here. We subscribe because we didn't catch any keepers. But anyway, make sure you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.